Hi, my name is Chris Cooper and this is a short walkthrough video of this Regal 2150, which is a sports cuddy boat. It's got relatively new canopy, really nice tidy condition. She's just had an engine service. Pretty clean and presentable. Gel coat's in reasonable condition. Upholstery bar, the odd like really minor little nick and wear mark is in pretty good condition. It's not spotless, but it's really quite presentable for a boat of its age. I'll just pause the video a minute and climb properly aboard and give you a better, more in-depth tour. This is the cockpit of the Regal. You can see a little wet bar here on the port side. Navigator's seat. And then quite a decent size, well, probably a two-person seat actually, with a folding backrest. Nice back seat there, and then a sun pad. There's a little infill cushion that goes in the corner there to turn that into a full width sun pad. Canopy's relatively new. And we've got steps up here that lead through opening screen and out onto the foredeck. A nice little feature actually underneath the flap. So it's a stereo. And there's our cuddy cabin, porta potty under the cushion in the centre of that space, and then there's some extra cushions that infill this into this big berth space really. Linings are a little marked in here, as they often are really, with the American carpet style headlinings. Show you the engine space. It's quite an easy space to get to. Back seat just lifts up on gas struts, and there we are. 4.3 litre Mercruiser. Batteries and isolation switch down there. Another battery notice on the starboard side there. Manual brush bump in the back too. So, make a lovely day boat, good overnighter. You certainly have some family and friends in here enjoying themselves in the sunshine. If you'd like any more details, please give us a call. Visit the website www.mya.co.uk.